Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and today I am on the north bank of the Thames opposite the London Eye. Here you go, some beautiful ironwork, but what we're really here for is the iconic red telephone boxes that everyone loves. Here we are. These are particularly good restored condition, even with phones in. There we go. Stunning, iconic, and known worldwide. So I hope you enjoyed that. Another icon, obviously, up there, Parliament, the Queen Elizabeth Tower. You can just see through the tree, Palace of Westminster.